Master. Revival is coming, sir.
Bibi.
Yes, sir. Master is very, very important. Revival. Yes, sir. Yeah.
My friend.
Yes, sir.
It's a very secret thing you've discovered.
Yes, sir.
And yes, revival is coming.
Yes, sir.
But don't let anyone know, because it has to happen suddenly. And all the nations, from the rivers of the Nile down to the mangrove of Africa, will be affected by this revival.
But Master, it's very important, Master.
Bibi.
Yes, sir.
Sounds of Salem has been sent to sound the shofar. They are the ones that are going to bring this revival. All you have to do is to sit back, relax, and let God take control. Bibi, join us as we study scriptures.
Okay, Master.